welcome to this Diwali special session. To get started with cocktail number 1, some ginger, peel, chop and drop. Fresh lemon, honey. This is a beautiful cocktail with Goa's favorite, Feni. Keep that aside while we get started with our second cocktail. We'll be making both of these together. Get your shaker, pista, rose water, muddle, and condensed milk. This is like mithai in a glass. And our second spirit, again, local gin from the heart of Goa. Bring both your shakers forward and add lots of ice. Time to shake those beautiful drinks and to create the right kind of noise. Pour those stunning drinks a splash of soda, lemon and ginger, pista and gulab. Happy Diwali. Have a great one. Bye-bye.